Hi, today we're making an easy and delicious breakfast casserole that you can make while camping. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. You know, whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So today I'm going to share with you our all-time favorite breakfast casserole that we love to make when we're up camping in our Dutch oven. So let's go ahead and get started. What I love about this recipe is it's so easy, and it's kind of more of a dump and go recipe. You can put whatever you like in this recipe. You know, these are some of the things that we love with our eggs, but so many different possibilities. Hamburger, sausage, pepperoni, black olives, green chilies. So what we're going to be using in our eggs today are just the eggs, some cheese, a little bit of milk to make the eggs fluffy, some green onions, some bacon, and my all-time favorite with eggs are green olives. If you haven't tried that, you must. Alrighty, so I am using 10 eggs today, and this seems to work out pretty good for about 4 people. So you can kind of just adjust it accordingly. That was about a half a cup of milk. We've got bacon, yummy green onions, and then some green olives. And I just kind of mix it around and kind of get a feel for what it looks like. And that's looking nice and good and thick. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Ooh, it smells delicious. And then I'm using about, maybe a cup of cheese. You can never have too much cheese though. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry already. So we like to cook this in our Dutch oven, but if you're camping, you could also use it just in a big fry pan on your camp stove and make a big scrambled egg breakfast, just as yummy. So one thing I love about this is you can get it all pre-mixed and into a gallon-sized storage bag. So when you get up there, basically you just are dumping it into the Dutch oven. I'm all about super simple and easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the Dutch oven, and we're going to cook it for about 45 to 50 minutes. It just kind of varies. And we're going to bake it at 350. Now that's going to be 24 coals. We're going to put 16 coals on the top and then 8 coals on the bottom, and just kind of check it as it cooks. Okay, so right now the coals are preheating. We're just going to get our egg mixture into the Dutch oven. And I think I'll sprinkle it with a little bit of extra cheese. And then a tiny bit of pepper. Oh, delicious. Okay, let's see how we did. Now if I'm careful, I think I can get it out in one big piece. We'll try it. We will try it. There we go. Whoa, that looks amazing. So there is our beautiful egg souffle casserole. Little ketchup or salsa. So what do you think? Doesn't that look delicious? So 10 eggs was just perfect for 4 big pieces. You know, when you're up camping, at least when we're up camping, we're usually really hungry. So let's give it a try here. Oh, it's fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. So thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate your support. What a fun breakfast casserole we made today. So if you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Oh, and if you're interested in more cooking recipes, check out right here. So I'm gonna go eat some more egg casserole, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.